it's Mona here at Craft Klatch, and today we're going to do some easy Easter artwork. We're going to do a bunny cutout. We'll do a couple different versions and see which one we like the best. I have this cutout bunny image that we're going to use as the base for our project, and I found it online. It's a royalty-free image, and I will have that link down in the description below, so you can find it if you want to try this project. So it's very simple. I'm going to use my Cricut, and you can certainly use your Silhouette or any cutting machine, or you can use your good old craft knife. Draw the outline of your image and then cut it out with your craft knife. So we're going to kind of use these as our basis to work on this project. I'm going to cut the silhouette out of the bunny, and look how cute it looks even just here with the white on the purple, but we're going to try to do something a little bit different. So here is the silver cardstock. I'm going to pop it right out. Now for the fun of it, I just want to kind of go bold and colorful. I'm going to line up just the regular paper, and I'm going to do an outline. And since they're all the same, this will work on all of them. And now I'm going to use some washi tape, and I have some bold washi tape colors in green and pink. And then I have some orange and blue left over from a different project before. All are kind of spring Eastery colors. And I'm simply going to start going over the bunny. I'm just going to start right in the middle. And I'll start alternating my colors. Now I have the outline just so I know how far I need to go to cover the bunny. These colors are pretty bright, so I think I'm going to go with the silver. What do you think? Or I can go with the purple. I think I like the glittery ones better than the regular cardstock for this particular project, though I like that too. Some of the washi tape has actual glitter on there. I'm kind of leaning toward one of the glitter papers. So I think we're going to go purple. And now I have a document frame from the dollar store. I'm going to put a sheet of paper between the glass and the cardboard. I'm going to put all of this stuff right in front of the glass and put it back together. Now the nice thing about the document frame is that you do not have to mess with the size of the paper, because the 8.5 by 11 fits right in there. Put it all back together. You can hang it, or you can just have it stand, and I'm going to add a little pom-pom to the butt just to make it a little cuter. You can hot glue that on or just use some regular glue. And then you have a cute little art piece. And remember, you can change the colors of the front, and you can even go simple. Remember, you can go simple and just use cardstock like that and use different colors of cardstock or anything that's printed already. But I thought this would be fun with the washi tape. And again, remember, you can always switch it out and use a different frame on it if you wanted to change your color palette. Or you could always tone it down with a simple white cutout too. That looks nice and fresh too. So it all comes down to what you prefer. I hope you guys like the Easy Easter Art project, and I hope you give it a try. And let me know what you think of it down in the comments below. And let me know which color combo you like best. If you liked it covered with the white for something a little bit simpler. If you liked it covered with the silver for a little more flash. This is my kind of glittery flashy, but not over the top glittery flashy. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will definitely see you next time. Remember, life is too short not to shimmer, so grab your glue gun and your glitter. Stay safe. Bye guys, and have a happy Easter.